Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover deleted emails with Outlook, beginner guide step by step clearly. To recover deleted emails with Outlook, start by opening the Outlook application on your computer. Access the deleted items folder in the left-hand navigation panel. Locate the deleted email you want to recover. If you find the email, right-click on it. Select Move from the context menu. Choose Inbox or the folder you want to restore the email to. If you don't see the email in the Deleted Items folder, look for the Recover Deleted Items from Server option. To do this, click on the Folder tab at the top of the Outlook window. Then, select Recover Deleted Items. A new window will appear, displaying emails that can be recovered. Browse through the list of recoverable emails. Select the email you wish to recover. Click on the Recover Selected Items button. The email will now return to your Deleted Items folder. It can be moved back to your inbox or any other folder as needed. If you can't find your deleted email in either folder, consider checking your Outlook account settings. Go to File, then select Account Settings, and choose Account Settings again. Ensure that your email account is set up correctly and that you are connected to the server. If the email was crucial and you still can't find it, you might want to check any backup solutions you have in place. Maintain a habit of routinely backing up your Outlook data to avoid future issues with lost emails. Following these steps can help you recover deleted emails and maintain your correspondence efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.